said, listen, he'll come on in close to us. We'll let him get close to us, but when you shoot, make sure you're not shooting the shit in front of you. If you need to, you can scoot around behind me or beside me, or I'll get out of your way. Looks like man, I can't see his whole body though. He just took down. He's got her head up right now. Take it easy. Easy. Ease your leg up, use my arm as block, wrong weight. Alright, get your leg right. Stop. See him. See the other one behind it? That's a dog. I see his beard. Get your gun and kind of just slide it forward, straight towards him. Easy. He's going to come right to us. Shoot him. He's in the road, he ain't but 40 yards from us. Slowly, really slowly start working the butt of your gun towards your shoulder. Easy, real easy. Okay, just be patient, I'll tell you when. Can you see him good? You can rest your gun on my hand. Rest your gun on my hand. You're not holding that weight the whole time. Just let him come on in. Oh yeah, he's right on top of us. sleep. Slowly pick it up. Safety on or off. Get it right on the base of his neck and shoot him.
Did I hit him?
Yeah.
Did I actually? Did I hit him?
Yeah, yeah. Oh, I'm first. You can see it. Come on.
Is this good size? Decent?
Yeah. Woo!
Last day of the season, Ryan come through for you.
You're Ryan. Can I go ahead?
Yeah, I got him.
Thanks, Ryan.
Oh, you are the man.
Yeah.
Woo! You smoked him good too, bro. His whole head's full of blood.
Oh.
Dang, he still got good ways.
Pick him up.
Pick him
Let's
up.
see him. Grab him right by the neck.
Right by the neck.
Oh, he's heavy. I'm scared I'm gonna pop his neck.
Yeah, he's fine.
Oh
He's-
yeah.
Is this a Tom or Jake?
He's
Oh, borderline.
right
Tom.
on the cusp.
Yeah, he's right on the cusp of Tom. That's a great first bird.
I mean, it's a first bird.
Oh my God. You worked hard for that one, girl.
Thanks, Trevor.
That's awesome.
I didn't think he was going to take off. When, the way he hit the ground, I was like, oh, he's done. That's
I
the
thought
flop.
I missed. Did I hit him at the base of the neck?
Yeah, I mean, yeah, you smoked him. He flew over here and died. All right, grab him, pull him out.
Can I grab him by the legs?
Yeah.
Yeah,
I know how to do that.
walk him out.
Dang, wish I had my hairbrush.
She's a country girl, wild as the wind.
Bring him on out to the power line. You got that little deer trail.
She don't need diamonds,
I got you.
don't need pearls. She's the soul of the earth, just a country girl.
I can't believe he took off.
I didn't thought I missed. Ran.
I knew you didn't miss him.
I thought I knew it because he ran.
Huh. Congratulations, girl. Oh. I mean, he didn't go in the woods far.
No, 10 yards, maybe. Not even.
I can't believe you went this far.
Have more turkeys. I actually like my
Yes.
It's good.
Leon's probably like, what the f just happened?
Did they actually shoot something?
He heard shots and then we just heard sprinting.
All right, come on, we're gonna bring him out here. We'll get some pictures in the road. That was a desperation pop with the 12 gauge. That's how much was far.
Oh God, it was.
I could tell the way he came down on the ground, he was already hit because he hit the ground right here before he jumped in.
Yeah, I saw him hit.
And he was like trying to hobble in. I was like, oh, he got his ass. That's why I took off running. I was like, I'm gonna go get him.
Yeah, I know. I never seen either of y'all sprint that fast.
I'm like trying to hold all my shit in. Oh, thank the Lord.
That is awesome. We did not get smoked today.
He is.
A perfect first bird.
That's what I'm
Yeah.
saying.
Perfect.
Because
It's your first damn bird. Are you kidding me?
He's big too. For having said, I mean, he's got a good body. He's been eating good. He's heavy, ain't he?
I was hoping that other one would come with him.
Was there another Tom?
Mm-hmm.
there's
Really?
2 of them.
It was 2 times and a hen.
Well, that one must have been smaller if he didn't want none of him.
Nah, I was thinking that he was a jake to start with.
Was he feathered up coming?
No.
No, he
just curious.
bristled up his back feathers a little bit.
His head turned white.
He did turn white. They whiten him up.
Not
Hey, Brooke, strap it over your back so that what's his name can't see it, and we're gonna tell him it was a state record.
Let's tell them it's a double beat.
That was awesome.
They about to knock my damn camera over and everything.
This is better.
Me too, baby. Me too.
Let me get those shells.
Yeah, I'll grab 'em.
Alright, put him down on the ground.
Because he ran.
Ran, flew, ran some more. And she hit him on the first shot.
I was gonna walk around the corner after I got done pooping, but I didn't want to mess up someone.
We were at the corner. We were right there at the corner.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, we never moved. They saw us. They saw us. They came around the corner.
Gosh, I bet my face is red from that adrenaline.
It is.
It feels good.
You can take all 4 of them.
Yeah, man.
That's a story to tell right there.
Yeah, buddy.